I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. Welcome to the fascinating world of crypto mining. In this chapter, we will explore the basics of how this digital gold rush works. Crypto mining is often compared to gold digging, but instead of searching for physical gold, you're hunting for digital treasures. Instead of using traditional tools like shovels and pickaxes, miners use powerful computers to solve incredibly complex mathematical problems. These problems are so intricate that they require specialized hardware and a lot of computational power. When a miner successfully solves one of these problems, they are rewarded with a certain amount of cryptocurrency. This reward system is what incentivizes people to participate in the mining process. It's like striking gold in the digital realm. The excitement of finding a digital gold nugget keeps miners motivated. This mining process is crucial for the functioning of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Without miners, the entire system would come to a halt. Miners play a vital role in verifying and adding new transactions to the blockchain. The blockchain is a public ledger that records all transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency. This process ensures the security and integrity of the entire cryptocurrency network. Each transaction is verified by multiple miners, making it nearly impossible to alter or fake. Think of the blockchain as a giant, secure digital ledger. Every transaction is recorded in this ledger, and once it's added, it cannot be changed. Check out the link in the description box below. Mining helps keep this ledger accurate and safe. By solving complex problems, miners ensure that each transaction is legitimate and that the entire network remains secure. This is why crypto mining is so essential to the world of digital currencies. Why crypto mining is a good business opportunity. Crypto mining can be a lucrative business opportunity. The value of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can fluctuate, but the potential for profit is significant. As the demand for cryptocurrencies increases, so does the demand for mining power. This creates an opportunity for individuals and businesses to profit by providing that mining power. Moreover, crypto mining is a global industry. You can operate your mining business from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Choosing the right cryptocurrency to mine. The first step in starting your crypto mining business is choosing which cryptocurrency to mine. Bitcoin is the most well-known, but there are thousands of others, each with its own algorithm and profitability. Consider factors like the cryptocurrency's market value, mining difficulty, and energy consumption. Some cryptocurrencies are more profitable to mine than others, depending on these factors. Research and compare different cryptocurrencies before making your decision. There are online resources and calculators that can help you analyze profitability. Acquiring hardware and software for your mining operation. Once you've chosen your cryptocurrency, you need the right equipment. This is a crucial step in setting up a successful mining operation. Crypto mining requires specialized hardware called ASIC miners. These devices are designed to perform the complex calculations needed to mine cryptocurrencies efficiently. These are powerful computers designed specifically for mining. They offer higher performance and efficiency compared to general-purpose hardware. You'll also need mining software that's compatible with your chosen cryptocurrency. This software is essential for managing your mining hardware and connecting it to the blockchain network. This software connects your miners to the cryptocurrency network and manages the mining process. It helps in monitoring performance, optimizing operations, and ensuring that your mining activities are running smoothly. Research different ASIC miners and mining software to find the best fit for your budget and chosen cryptocurrency. There are many options available, each with its own set of features and capabilities. Consider factors like hash rate, energy consumption, and price. The hash rate determines how quickly your miner can solve the complex puzzles required to earn cryptocurrency. Energy consumption is crucial because mining can be power-intensive, affecting your overall profitability. Price is also a significant factor, as it impacts your initial investment and return on investment. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can make an informed decision and set up a mining operation that is both efficient and profitable. Setting up your crypto wallet is the first step in your journey into the world of cryptocurrency mining. A crypto wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive digital currencies securely. and joining a mining pool is equally important. Mining pools are groups of miners who work together to solve complex mathematical problems, which are necessary to validate transactions on the blockchain. This process is crucial for any crypto mining business because it increases the chances of earning rewards. By pooling resources, miners can achieve more consistent and higher payouts compared to solo mining. You'll need a secure crypto wallet to store your mined coins. Security is paramount, as the digital nature of cryptocurrencies makes them susceptible to hacking and theft. This wallet allows you to send, receive, and manage your cryptocurrency holdings efficiently. There are various types of wallets, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets, each with its own set of features and security levels. Joining a mining pool is also recommended, especially for beginners. It simplifies the mining process and provides a steady stream of income, even if the individual contributions are small. Mining pools combine the computing power of multiple miners, increasing the chances of solving blocks and earning rewards. This collaborative effort makes mining more accessible and profitable for everyone involved. When choosing a mining pool, consider factors like fees, payout structure, and reputation. Some pools charge higher fees but offer more frequent payouts, while others may have lower fees but less frequent rewards. Research and compare different pools before joining one. Look for reviews and feedback from other miners to ensure you are joining a reliable and trustworthy pool. This due diligence will help you maximize your mining efforts and earnings. Before you start mining, it's crucial to calculate your potential profitability. This involves considering factors like electricity costs, mining hardware costs, and cryptocurrency prices. There are online calculators that can help you estimate your mining profitability based on these factors. Keep in mind that profitability can fluctuate depending on market conditions. It's essential to have a solid understanding of mining economics to make informed decisions. Stay updated on industry news and trends to optimize your mining operations. Setting up your mining rig involves connecting your ASIC miners to a power source, internet router, and your computer. Ensure you have adequate ventilation to prevent overheating. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for setting up your specific ASIC miners and mining software. Configure your mining software to connect to your chosen mining pool and crypto wallet. It's essential to monitor your mining rig regularly to ensure it's functioning correctly. Check for any error messages, overheating issues, or connectivity problems. Managing energy consumption for optimal mining performance. Crypto mining can be energy intensive, so it's crucial to manage your energy consumption effectively. High electricity costs can significantly impact your profitability. Consider using energy-efficient ASIC miners and optimizing your mining rig settings to reduce power consumption. Explore alternative energy sources like solar power to lower your carbon footprint and costs. Implementing energy-saving measures not only benefits your bottom line, but also contributes to a more sustainable crypto mining industry. The importance of legal structure forming an LLC with Bizee. As your mining operation grows, it's wise to establish a formal business structure. Forming a limited liability company, or LLC, offers legal protection and tax advantages. Bizee is a reputable online service that simplifies the LLC formation process. They provide a streamlined and affordable solution for registering your mining business. An LLC separates your personal assets from your business liabilities, providing a safety net in case of legal issues or financial setbacks. Ensuring compliance. Obtaining an EIN with Bizee. Once you've formed your LLC, you'll need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This number is essential for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. Bizee can also assist you with obtaining your EIN quickly and easily. They streamline the application process and ensure you meet all the necessary requirements. Having an EIN is crucial for maintaining legal compliance and separating your personal and business finances. Start your crypto mining journey today. Starting a crypto mining business can be a rewarding endeavor. By following these steps and staying informed about industry trends, you can increase your chances of success in this exciting and evolving market. Remember to thoroughly research and plan your mining operations before investing significant capital. With dedication and the right approach, you can join the ranks of successful crypto miners worldwide.